Hey everyone, I got Money XD here showing you how to change the text to your start button. Now in a later video, or if I get enough requests, I'll make it sooner, I will show you how to change the color of the start button and the taskbar. All very interesting. So now I'll go to the text. When you go over it, I can change the text to that too. Now let us begin, and I hope it doesn't screw up the coding again. But I don't like how slow recording goes. Okay, so all you need is Resource Hacker. I know some people might be disappointed because you can't do it without it, but I'm sorry. You gotta download things. It's impossible without it. Unless you have a DLL hacker, I think. Or no, you can't. Okay. File. Open. Oh, sorry, open. Okay. Okay, so let's just, if you start the desktop, you want to go My Computer, local C disk, find the Windows folder, open that up. Now you want to find something you want to find Explorer. I've already made an Explorer too, but find Explorer. Okay. Now go to string table. Now I think it was 37. Yes, 37. Now to change the text of the start button, now it'll say start there, unless you've already changed it. Now put in what you want, like you're screwed. Click compile script. Now I think it's either 34. Yes, 34. Mine says OMGAYM, short for Oh my God, are you mad? So I'm gonna put Oh my God, are you buh. There. It's hard thinking of which order you want it in. There. Sorry. Compile the script. Now, this is the tricky part. Because now, Control, Alt, Delete. This is the most annoying part you can ever find. Processes. Now what you gotta do is find Explorer exe. Or rather, Explorer.exe. Where is it? Sorry about this. This is the most annoying part ever. Not sure why I have Zoom it running. Must have forgot to install it. Ooh, this is the most annoying part in the history of the world. But it's Explorer.exe. Skip ahead in the video, please. Don't tell me I'm all... What? Okay. Odd. Now, if I've passed it, sorry, but... Ah, there it is. Now, right-click it and process. Yes. This is the... Oh yeah, you notice. Oh my god, the taskbar is gone. Don't minimize anything. It will... You'd have to open up Task Manager, and it's really complicated. Go back to Resource Hacker. File. Save. You're probably wondering why you can't do it while it's already open. It just doesn't let you. I don't know why. It really makes me mad. Okay, now applications, new task, browse for Explorer again in the Windows folder. Whoa, have I passed it? Ah, there. Explorer. Open. Now, okay. And it'll probably glitch up for a while over here. But, yes, it does work. Now we can exit. And, yes, this is after it stops glitching. And you know when you go over it, it'll say something, just in case you cannot see it without the zoom, it says, "Oh my god, are you mad?" when you highlight it, and the start button says you're screwed. Well, thank you for watching this really annoying, hard to do video because they screwed up with the programming and something's wrong with my computer. But I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.